Yo, 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 what up, though? It's your boy Street Coder Nate, and we back at it again with another live stream. So this live stream is gonna be a continuation from the first one. The way that we ended the live stream on the first one was that I started giving y'all the idea as to what we was gonna build. And so once again, it's an email marketing bot, if you will. And so it's gonna have pretty much what we're gonna do is ideate this through in this live stream, and then draw out the idea, and then also start kind of like coding it up. So, shoot, I'm finna share my screen and we can get going. Shoot, it ain't about to be like super like professional and stuff. It's just like me coding, code alone, learn what I'm doing, and then just got questions, put them in the chat. We get going. So let's get it without further ado. Let's see how I share my screen over here. Oh yeah, I'm on. So I can't. I just gotta go like this. Boom. Okay, boom. I ain't gotta share my screen. All right, bet. So you can see what I'm doing over here. Safari. I'm gonna go. So we gotta take this. We gotta figure out the idea that we want. So I'm gonna go to Notion, log in, continue Google. Low-key, I'm hungry. It's the morning time, so I'm gonna be snacking on this Pop-Tart. If I got any questions, definitely will answer them. Y'all see me chewing weird. It's because my tooth messed up. I'm going to the dentist soon. So that's why I'm chewing weird, if you notice. Guess y'all never really seen me chew before, so. Like I said, y'all just gonna get a natural me on this. I'm just coding stuff up, getting it done. All right. Oh, it's funny. I was making a social media bot. I name all my bots with the last word, nigga. Hey, my friends. All right. So, Jamal, good morning. Welcome back. Thanks for these lives. Appreciate it, Jamal, man. You know, man, I'm just trying to get out here. There's gonna be a bunch of these every single day. I feel bad yesterday, man. I was too busy chilling. I'm getting my mind right. Had to finish out Microsoft and shit. So, but yeah, man, every single day, man. You catch one in the morning, probably midday, and then after work hours as well. Just be out here showing y'all just how natural coders do. Just like I said, first we're gonna ideate this. We're gonna create. I'm trying to figure out where I put my things at, but tutorials. We go right here and put them in tutorials. No, that's not tutorials. Templates. I don't know where they at. All right, but yeah, we're gonna ideate the stuff, then we're gonna draw it out, then we're gonna code it up. You'll see the process over and over, and just having a regular conversation and stuff. So yeah, man, appreciate it. Bro, I know I have one for getting started. Let me look at my iPad. Oh, you know what? I'm thinking about a different application. That's what it is. Okay. So, yep. We got things. This is the application I was thinking about. Thought I was doing it on Notion. Okay, here we go. Yep. So my marketing automation is right here. I started doing the idea for the marketing automation already. We don't need Notion right now. So basically, like, one of the hardest parts about like coding something up from scratch is that you got to come up with the idea all by yourself. And like, if you haven't worked in a professional setting before, it's kind of hard to do that. Reason I say that is because like in a professional setting, they got like at a company or something, they already got the project pretty much already drawn out. And so therefore you can start asking people questions about like how this part was started and how that, and they can explain it to you real quick. And then you can start piecing things together and then trying stuff outside of work, making your own projects from like beginning to end, because you see what a professional project looks like. So what I want to do is be able to give y'all that way that people do that. in the companies. So one of the first ways that they do it is the person with the idea, the business manager, or the business manager, the guy with the idea, he comes to the business and he explains this idea to him. And so you ain't gotta really have it in any like type of professional way, but pretty much you need a way where you can write this idea out and then have people understand what's going on in the project. So for me, I use this thing called Things. I use this app called Things. As you can see over here, Things. You just type in Things. They got application in the App Store. In the App Store, they got application for Mac and iOS and iPad OS. I need to update it. Say. But yeah, it's pretty dope. You can take notes, and then it's also like a checklist as well. So yeah, so that's why I used to put my ideas together. So here for this marketing bot, I said I have an email list that I got from Scrapegram. So I use this program called Scrapegram. Remember, I'm trying to create an email marketing bot that's going to send out emails to a specific set of people. I want people who are interested and want to learn how to code. So I need to send emails about my coding courses and PDFs and stuff that I create so that they can go check it out. So I went to Scrapegram. Scrapegram is dope because what it does is you pay like I think $20 a month and gives you like 100. It gives you like 100 tokens. So in these 100 tokens, you within 100 tokens you can scrape people's emails from Instagram. All you need is the person's what I'm trying to say. All you need is the person's like username. So you give it a person's username and you say, I want to scrape their followers. So for an example, if I wanted to scrape all the followers of LeBron James, I put LeBron James's username in there, and then this Scrapegram will go take a few hours and go scrape all of LeBron James's followers. And for the followers who are public, their email address is public too. So the Scrapegram will scrape that email and then put it into like a CSV file. So I can show y'all real quick what that looked like. I scraped a bunch of computer science pages. And so I scraped the followers of like computer science pages who were trying to learn computer science. So that trying to, where the fuck Safari just go? So I'm gonna pull that up right here. Yeah, so I scraped a bunch of people who follow computer science. What? There we go. Yeah, so once again, I scraped a bunch of computer science pages. So you think about like learn computer science, Python, learn Python, stuff like that. Those are the type of pages. All right, this thing really is tripping. Not even that. What is wrong? I gotta use. Let me close this one. Safari. Let me find out. I gotta use Chrome on you. Why can't I do that? I can do it on Chrome. That's trifling. All right, we're gonna use Chrome. I don't know why Safari tripping today. I'm gonna go to scrapeground.io. You see, scrape emails from Instagram. Boom. So sign in with Google real quick. Boom. So we can come over to my results. Bro, I'm already signed in. All right, bet. We can come over to my results. As you can see, I scraped built by girls, Black Girls Code, Learn Code, Coding, SBA Government, Coding Masters, C for Coding, Tech Unicorn, Comp Psyche, Leon Peter She Codes Free Code Camp a couple times. And if you come over here, you can see the users, the emails. So how many emails did I get from these people? So I got 4, 7, 263, 163. Shit from the government, I got 6,000. I got 6 from Codemaster, 743 from C for Coding. Tech Unicorn got me 10, 37. 3's 15. So I built a huge ass email list. I got a question. Wow, this is awesome. This opens a whole new window of opportunities for me. I'm definitely gonna look at it. It's great. Definitely check it out. Who that? Dr. Cross. Definitely check it out, bro. Or sorry for you, woman. But yeah, definitely check it out because yeah, bro. Like for anything you trying to sell, like you can just go here, just scrape it, scrape emails. And now what I'm teaching y'all is how to create this bot that's gonna take these CSV files because once you export, it exports it as a CSV file. Let's see, I press export, it builds it up, but then you can export all. But what I'm gonna show y'all or teach y'all is we're gonna take these CSV files and build, you see it goes leads, open it up. Let me put this, so you can see it, it's on the other screen. There you go, leads, that's what this looks like. It's just a CSV file with ID, username, name, bio, category, follower count, following count, and then email. But you gotta go through all of these and get the email address. But what I'm about to show y'all how to do is take all of these files into and end up putting them into a program, this automation, where it's going to build your whole email list for you and store it into a database. And then once you get your email list built, it's going to use artificial intelligence, GPT-3, and generate a whole bunch of emails based on the products that you want to sell or whatnot. For me, it's coding courses and my content on YouTube and all other places. So I'm gonna create this, use GPT-3 to create an algorithm that will understand what I need it to do, and then just generate hundreds to thousands of emails, store them into a database, and then in the database, go build up some generic emails with the content already on it and store them. So you'll have like a pot, like 1,000 content emails already generated, and each day you just set the time that you wanted to go ahead and send out that email to the people, and it will go to the email list, grab all 6,000 to 10,000, how many you got, people, create the email, and then send it out to them 3 times a day whenever you need it. So this is going to be powerful for anyone who wants to start, making content, wants to start selling stuff online. This is big. What I'm trying to show y'all is that, like, with computer science, you don't need a job. You can go get a job, but then for real, if you're learning computer science, like right now, you can watch stuff like this to like first learn what's like how to code, but then also see like how people are real world using computer science to make money. Like this is real. Like this is just one idea. It's multiple ideas I got. Like I don't know if y'all see all of these over here. Like, and then on my Notion, I be having ideas. Like you just once you get these ideas, all computer science is the language is it's a tool, and once you get that tool, you gotta be creative and start making up ideas, do your research around and whatnot. So that's basically what we're doing with this email marketing bot. So once again, I have an email list that I got from ScrapeGround. This list comes from me scraping. Yeah, I ain't the best speller. Certain followers of coding hashtags and coding accounts. I will need to look through this list and all of that, like explained. Note that I will start off with a master list of emails from ScrapeGround, but we'll be getting more CSVs as I continue to scrape different accounts. So pretty much what I'm saying is I'm going to export all emails and it's going to come out as a big master list. But then I'm like I said, I continue using this each month. So pretty much I'm going to continue scraping more pages as I find more accounts to scrape, more hashtags to scrape. I'll continue getting new CSV files. So in this automation, what I'm trying to say is I need a way for me to not only upload the master list originally, but also a way for me, like say a day later or 2 days later, to be able to upload a new list, and it like appends those emails to the already generated email list. So I'm I'm like designing this process right now as I'm um I'm designing a process right now as I'm like getting it all out. But so that's the point of this. So I'm thinking like, okay, I'm gonna need a way to upload again. So cool, got that down. And I said I should build some hype by sending free material and then attaching the preview to new courses. So this part right here is me thinking out what the email is gonna look like and what it should sound like. Um, so that people want to click the link to check out the video, click the link to check out the course. And then I say below are the steps I will take to create the email marketing automation. So this is real cool because this allows me to like make it like a little checklist. Uh, but one thing that's real cool about it also is, where is it at? Is it that one? Oh, I missed it somewhere. But it lets you create markup. Oh, here you go, right here. You can create markup. So one of these things can actually be like super, super long. Like you can make it as long as you want, and you can put markup in it so that if you want to like make a bold title or something, like let me show you an example of what I'm trying to talk about. Like right there, you can see scrape ground in different words, but let's say I wanted it a capital word, say header. All right, for some reason it didn't turn capital. Maybe I'm not getting my markup right. Is it star star? One star. Oh yeah, there it is. It's one star. And that will make it italicized. So really, you just got to learn different markup. But what I'm trying to show you is like you can change the different fonts and stuff. But really, all I do is like just each step of the way. So let's say these are the steps I'm going to take. First, I need to create the automation to insert emails into the database. Then I need to create the emails using GPT-3. Then after that, I need to create I said PyQt. I was going to use PyQt, so let me change that to Felgo. So create Felgo application to control sending the emails. So these are 3 different steps that I got to do. And then within each step, first I give a little description of what I'm about to do here. Same here, get a description. And then after giving a description, like kind of like step by step, what do I got to do step by step? And some of these things be like out of order, but it just really be me trying to get the things together. But even if it is out of order, this app real cool. You can kind of like rearrange things, but sometimes I just be lazy, so I kind of like skip down to these parts without rearranging. But yeah, so this is pretty much how I do all my projects. Like I write them out like this, and this really pretty much helped me like get it together. And then this part helped me like stay focused on a different task. Like, okay, just gotta knock this part out, knock this part out. And when you really do it like this, like writing the code becomes ridiculously simple. It's like almost translating like line by line to the code. So that's pretty much what we're going to do to continue. So as you can see, I've already created the GitHub repo for the project. I can pull that up. Let's see. One thing about me using Chrome is I'm not like signed in to all my stuff like I am on Safari. Oh, I am. I guess I am. Yep. See, wrong password. Yeah. Nope. Password. Gonna lock me out. Let me see if I can pull up Safari real quick. The things I know my password, but and I know I could go get it from somewhere, but I don't want to accidentally open the password manager while I'm on live stream. All my passwords are there. So let me see Safari fuck with me. Let me see GitHub. There you go. Boom. All right, see, I already logged in on here. Cool. All right, so GitHub. Let's see automation. I know I got it somewhere. Bro. I got all this software running. So can y'all see the virtual environment? No? Or is it green? Or the virtual background? Is it green or is it like email marketing? All right, so here the code is for the email marketing bot. Not much out here. I just got the database connection right here, connected to the database. As you can see here, they say create the GitHub, connect local repo to the GitHub repo, create online MongoDB cluster, create a DB for the email marketing. Here's the Mongo. Created. Pre-coders marketing. Created a database for pre-coders marketing. So if we look at the collection, you see I have the email collection, the email marketing, it has email drafts, and it has email lists. There's nothing in each collection. There's nothing in each collection. Or there's one database, which is the email marketing database, and then two collections. So email drafts and email lists, and they don't have anything. I just pretty much did what I said, create the cluster. And then I said create a DB for the email marketing, create a collection for the email list, and then create a collection for the email drafts. And that's pretty much where I ended it off. So you hear white noise. Oh shit. Yo, yo, yo.